Hello, my name is James and I'll be teaching this online lesson. This lesson shows the steps on how to create a blog on Blogger.com. To create a blog using Blogger, you need a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, you can watch my previous lesson. It'll show the steps on how to create an account. Let's create a blog. So the first thing we want to do is open up our web browser. You can use Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, or any other. So go ahead and open that up. Then we want to go to the Blogger.com website. So you can either use your favorite search engine and type in Blogger, or go into the address field and then type in Blogger.com. And if you use the search engine, usually the first link it'll give you is Blogger.com. And so go ahead and look for that and go ahead and click on that link. And then you'll see the Blogger.com website come up. This is the website where you begin the process of creating your blog. Now you can take a quick tour to learn more about Blogger. Also, you can see once you've decided to create a blog, then you can see there's this orange arrow here down in the bottom right hand corner that says create your blog now. Now if you use this link, or if you click on this arrow, it will have you start to create a Gmail account. And so from the previous lesson we learned how to create a Gmail account, so you don't need to use this. Instead what you do is you sign in using your Gmail account, and then it's through that process that you start beginning to create your blog. So let's sign in using our Gmail account. And so to do that I'll just left click once in the username field, and then I'll put in the username of the account I created from the previous class. And so I'll just go ahead and type in Smith84267, and then I'll just type in the password for that account, and then I click on the sign in button. And here's the beginning process of creating my blog. In this first step of signing up with Blogger, the first thing they want you to do is give a name, a display name, and that will be the name that it displays when you post to your blog. And so you can put in anything you want in here. So in this case I'll just go ahead and put in John. And also they want to know whether you accept the terms of service. So usually they won't let you continue without clicking on this, so you want to click on this and make sure to read the terms of service so you know what the rules are. And so once you've done that, then you can click on the continue orange arrow. And then you'll see it goes to the second step. In the second step they ask for a title for your blog. And so you go to the field that says blog title, click inside that field, and go ahead and type in any kind of title that you want for the blog. So in my case I'll put in John Smith's blog. And then they also want a unique blog address for your blog. And so what you do is you just click inside the field for the blog address and type in an address that you think would be appropriate for your blog. Now some blog addresses might be taken by other people, so if you want to check the availability just by clicking on that link that says check availability, it'll tell you whether that address is available or not, and if it's not, then it'll give you a couple suggestions. And so in my case I'll just go ahead and put in the first suggestion that they give me. And once we have that, then we can continue on. So I just click on the orange arrow that says continue. And then we're selecting the template. In this step we choose the template or general look of our blog. And there's a number of different templates that we can select from. You can go through the list of templates just by using the scroll bar on the right, by clicking on the down arrow or by clicking on the up arrow. So let's say I like the colors dark green and blue. Well, then I'll just go ahead and select the Rounders 3 template because that has some dark greens and dark blues. And so I just click on the small circle that says Rounders 3, and then once I have that selected, I just click on the orange arrow that says Continue. Remember that you can always select a different template later on after you've created your blog. So go ahead and click on Continue. And then you can see it says your blog has been created. And the last step is to click on the orange arrow that says Start Posting. It creates our blog, and then that puts us where we can start typing in the first post for our blog. And so for right now, let's go ahead and sign out of our blog account. So just go ahead and click on Sign Out in the upper right hand corner. And then it signs out of our blog account. And so in the next lesson, I'll show you how to post to your blog and also how to view your blog.